Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about 5 ways to make money without investment. I will share my personal experience which will be very useful for you. There are many ways to make money online without the need for financial investment, and they are perfect for beginners. In this video I will discuss the 5 most popular ways to earn money without investment. These methods are great for those who want to earn extra money in their free time or start a business without financial investment. My name is Ryan Hunter. Let's get started. Way number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to earn money without investing. It involves providing your skills and services to clients online. Websites such as Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer.com are a great place to start. If you have skills such as writing, web design, graphic design or video editing, you can offer your services to clients worldwide. Freelancing allows you to work from home or any place with an internet connection, and you can choose your own working hours. One of the best aspects of freelancing is that you can start small and work your way up, building your experience and client base. You can take on small projects to build your portfolio and reputation, gradually increasing your rates for your work. It is possible to earn $3,000, $5,000 per month from freelancing. I have friends who earn $10,000, $15,000 per month, but they have been working for a long time and have a high rating. In any case, freelancing is a great way to start earnings from your skills, and if you don't have any skills, you can learn them. There is a lot of information available on the internet. The recipe is very simple. Choose an interesting direction for you, such as videos editing, learn is through courses, books, videos on YouTube, and then take order and earn money. Way number 2. Online surveys. Online surveys are an easy way to earn extra money in your free time. Companies are always looking for feedback on their product and services, and they are willing to pay for it. Websites like Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie are great places to start. You can earn money by answering simple questions about your shopping habits, your opinions on product and services, and much more. Surveys are usually short and take only a few minutes. Also, online surveys won't make you rich. They can be a great way to earn some extra money in your free time. Just make sure you register only with reputable survey companies that actually pay their participants. Read reviews carefully about the websites you are considering for online surveys and only work with those that have been verified. Way number 3. Selling products online. You don't need to invest money in a physical store or inventory to sell product online. Platforms such as Etsy, Amazon and eBay allow you to sell products from the comfort of your home. If you have a creative hobby such as knitting, jewelry making or painting, you can turn your creation into a source of income. You can also sell things you no longer need or want, such as clothes or electronics. One key factor to success in selling product online is finding a niche that interests you. This will make it easy to create products that people actually want to buy and make your process more enjoyable for you. Another important factor in selling product online is marketing. You need to ensure that your product are visible to potential customers. You can do this by optimizing your product listing, using social media to promote your product, and launching targeted advertising campaigns. For beginners, I recommend using dropshipping. I have a separate video on this earning method on my channel, and I recommend checking it out. The link to the video is in the description below the video. Way number 4. Online teaching. If you have a skill of knowledge that others want to learn, you can earn money by teaching it online. Websites like Udemy and Skillshare are great places to start. You can create a course or a series of lessons on a topic that you are passionate about, such as cooking, photography or web design. You can set your own price for the course, and once it's created, you can continue to earn money from it for years to come. One of the best things about online teaching is that you can create a course once and continue to earn money from it for years to come. This means that you can earn passive income while you sleep. Another advantage of online teaching is that you can reach a global audience. You are not limited to teaching only in your local area, so you can potentially reach more students and earn more money. Way number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promotion to other people's product and earning commissions for each sale. You can promote products through your website, blog or social media accounts. If you have a large number of followers on social media or a popular blog, you can earn money by promoting products that may be of interest to your followers. When When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you receive a commissions. One of the key factors to success in affiliate marketing is promote product that you truly believe in. This will make it easy to generally promote the product and also help you build trust with your followers. Remember, this is just one of my ways to earn money online. I recommend checking out my other videos that will help and tell you more about earnings online. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more similar video. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite way of earnings online. Thank you for watching. Good luck!